All right, what's up, everybody? We are rerunning this toilet paper, paper towel, and Tide Pods. Here's the list below. I already copied and pasted over, as you can see. Come down here and type live, get the show on the road. We are live. 7-11 just turned 7-12. 7-12 and 7-12. We're in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We have Will, Billy, Joe, Jordan, Doug, Billy, and Penny for the last spot. Good luck, everybody. 7 times as always. We got Billy after 1, McGrain, Joe, McGrain, and Billy after 6. Current time is 7-12, 7-12, and 7-12. Last and final, good luck. Joe, congratulations, sir. RHDHEJ is the verification code. And we are done. 7-12, 7-12, 7-12, and 7-12. Chimenti, get with me. Appreciate it, everyone.